So is the much-awaited Aam Aadmi Party's anti-corruption helpline working? Well, they got over 4,000 calls today, of which 53 were identified as serious cases. These callers were then advised to carry out a sting operation. 15 of the callers refused. So while it's still unclear if the corruption helpline is just an election gimmick or can actually work, the Chief Minister went ahead and announced another such scheme, a public grievance redressal system.
Day 1 and nearly 4,000 calls received in the first 7 hours. All 20 lines of Delhi's new anti-corruption helpline buzzing constantly ever since it opened at 8 this morning. The deluge of phone calls forced the Chief Minister to triple the manpower.
कल ये बढ़ा के 60 चैनल और 30 सीट कर दी जाएंगी। दिल्ली के लोगों को बधाई देना चाहूंगा कि बहुत ही बढ़िया क्वालिटी की स्टिंग की है उन्होंने।
At the end of day 1, over 3,900 phone calls were received, out of which only 824 could be answered. In this, the call centre then identified 38 serious cases which could translate into a sting operation. But 15 people refused. For them, the Chief Minister has come out with an alternate route. He calls it the grievance redressal system, in which every Saturday the Chief Minister, along with his ministers, will be opening these VIP gates of the Delhi Secretariat to the common Delhiite. Citizens have been asked to dial the helpline number 011 27357 between 8 a.m. and 10 p.m. for any complaints against corrupt officers. The calls are sifted and only the genuine complaints are transferred to a team of 15 experts. The experts will then assist and train callers in conducting a sting operation. The evidence from the sting is transferred to anti-corruption units who then act upon the case.
मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड मुझसे शादी नहीं कर रहा, मेरी शादी करा दीजिए। उसमें मुख्यमंत्री चाह के भी कुछ नहीं कर सकते।
In New Delhi, Sonal Mehrotra, NDTV.